Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. Well, we had a cool and pleasant evening last night with temperatures getting down into the mid to upper 60s throughout the region. 66 degrees, the overnight low temperature here at Wallops. We're going to have a pretty comfortable day as well, with those temperatures only reaching the low to mid 80s here as we go throughout the afternoon. When we look at our current surface analysis, you can see this frontal boundary that had brought the rain activity to us a couple of days ago still off the southeast coast. All of the moisture associated with that front well off to the south and east of Wallops. We do have a upper level disturbance that is exiting the mid-Atlantic coast currently this morning. Not enough moisture to really bring any kind of increased cloudiness or precipitation with that, just the base of a trough. But as we go into the afternoon, we are going to see a few scattered showers pop up across the region. Most of that activity will likely be off to the north and west, but we will run a slight risk of seeing a pop-up shower or thunderstorm here at Wallops as we go into the afternoon hours today. I want to take a quick look here at our visible satellite imagery. You can see all that cloudiness well off the coast, and here across the Delmarva, looking at mostly sunny skies this morning, and we are going to continue to see those mostly sunny skies persist throughout the day today. Looking at our radar, you can see no precipitation currently in the area, and again, it will be this afternoon before we see any chances of any kind of precipitation throughout the Wallops region, and those chances will be very slight, as we are looking at only about a 20% chance of rain. But I want to look here at our forecast model and what we can expect here throughout the day today. As we get to the noontime hour, you can still see no precipitation throughout the area, with those showers likely holding off until about 2 o'clock before they start to develop across the Delmarva, and it will be very isolated in nature, and it does look like most of that activity will be off to the west and to the north of the Wallops region, more likely up in the Salisbury and Delaware area later on this afternoon. But again, we'll have to keep an eye out for any kind of shower activity here this afternoon. Again, most of that activity looks to stay away from us, but we will see the chances between the hours around 1 o'clock through 6 o'clock this evening before all of the activity dies out. I want to look at our current weather here at Wallops. Just a few clouds at 3,000 feet, a scattered deck at 25,000 feet with unrestricted visibilities. Winds out of the northwest at 5 knots, temperature at 74 degrees, and our relative humidity at 69%. So we look at the next 24 hours, you can see just a slight chance of precipitation occurring between the hours of 1 o'clock and 6 o'clock this evening. We are looking at about a 20% risk for isolated shower to develop across the area, and only about a 10% chance of seeing one of those showers embedded with a thunderstorm, putting off any lightning, again, between the hours of 1 and 6. As we go into the evening hours tonight, partly cloudy skies expected, temperatures dropping into the upper 60s, 67 degrees, the expected low for tonight. And then as we go into the day on Friday, we're going to see partly cloudy and mild conditions, a high of 84 degrees expected. Very pleasant weather setting up for us as we go into the weekend, with mostly sunny skies persisting through the weekend. Really no threat for precipitation. Any kind of chances will be a pop-up isolated shower across the peninsula, and it does look like those chances will be very low as we go into the weekend, likely less than 10%. Saturday's weather, sunny and mild conditions with a high of 85 degrees. Well, that'll wrap it up for your daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice day.